Hey everybody, Kyle from TechBloom. Today we're going to be talking about how you can start an AI business right now. Make sure you drop that like and that sub. Number one, learn about artificial intelligence. Stop calling it AI and actually look up and learn about artificial intelligence. What is it? How can you use it from a day-to-day? What does the future of it look like? How will it affect your life? Not just in your business, but in your everyday life. The way you interact with your friends, the way you interact with your business, the way you interact with your family. How will AI integrate? It goes so much deeper than just how you'll integrate it into your business, because we all have to understand that business is more than just this compartmentalized thing. Business is very holistic. If one part of you is unorganized, your business is going to be unorganized as well. So you have to see, how will AI play a pivotal role in your business, in your life, in your sphere of influence. That's the very first thing you need to do. You need to understand, what are these different large language models? What do they even do? How can you use a large language model in your business? Where does that even make sense? These are the things and the areas that you need to start. Before you think about anything else, the very, very, very first thing that you need to do is learn about artificial intelligence, get a very thorough understanding of it, and then you can move on from there. Number two, all right guys, after you've done your research, you know a little bit about artificial intelligence, AI, you have a good understanding of it. Now what you want to do is pick a niche that you can see yourself starting a business in. So what is this? Are you going to start AI agents? Are you going to start chatbots? Are you going to use AI to help people do marketing? Are you going to use AI to help people do research? How are you going to use AI to start a business? Are you going to do content creation with AI? There are so many different generative tools that you can use now. There's a wide variety of ways that you can get involved utilizing AI as a startup for technology. Are you going to code something? Are you going to build a product, SaaS, B2B? What are you going to create? At this point, you should have a little bit of knowledge and a thorough understanding of what artificial intelligence is, and you can use this to your advantage to decide what field you want to get into. Now, a couple of things. Make sure it's a big enough field. If you're doing a small product with a small price point, make sure that the field is huge. If you're doing something that has a big price point, the field that you're getting in doesn't need to be as big. Just a little tip for you guys. All right, and number three, make a business plan. All right, guys, it doesn't get any more simple than this. You've done your research, you know your niche. It's time to make your business plan. When will you get started? What are you trying to sell? How will you sell it? Where is your market? How will you reach them? What is your plan of action? How long will it take you to break even? How long will it take you to actually make a profit, you guys? These are all things that you have to think about when you're putting your business plan together initially for your AI business. When people say AI, they think that the fundamentals of the business change. No, guys, just because you're using AI to start a business, the fundamentals do not change. It is just a business like any other business, like washing cars or doing upholstery. It doesn't matter. Your AI business is a business like any other business. So once you have your business plan, you're good to go. You've done your research, you're in your niche, so you should be comfortable there. You have your business plan, which should tell you when to start, how to start it, and how things should go. All right, guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Go out there, start your AI business right now. It's Kyle from TechBloom.